What's up, viewers? Welcome to today's YouTube video on building something new. And yeah, I've been wanting to do this for a little while. So here I've got all the wood that I'm going to use. I've got a couple of pieces of ash for the body, reclaimed flame maple neck blank, ebony fretboard, we've got some bindings, and we have got this spalted ripple maple top. And then I've got a paper template which I've drawn up on Photoshop of what it is that I'm going to be building. A kind of single cut offset Les Pauly Fendery type design. Semi-hollow with an F-hole, and yeah, beautiful looking top. So go ahead and mark out a center line on what is going to be the templates that I'm going to build in the video today. Then on this template I'm just going to mark up everything that I need. The position of the pickups. This guitar will have a couple of humbuckers and it's going to have a stop tailpiece, Gibson style, and just lining up my neck template with the laser here to make sure everything's spot on. And then onto the neck template based off a Strat style neck with a different headstock shape. Just really taking my time here to make sure that the nut slot is at perfect 90 degrees to the center line. And drawing in my new headstock shape. This was something I just came up in Photoshop with while playing around with the body style, and then over to the bandsaw to roughly cut it out. Where I want to be at the end is getting rid of the black line completely, but I'll do that on the sanding. Onto the orbital sander. And starting to really creep up on the line, try and get things as good as I can. Then going in by hand and making sure that everything's really smoothed out in exactly the way I want it to be. couple of small transitions to tidy up, using the Strat template there to create the identical copy where the fretboard and the bulk of the neck's going to be, and just working in the transition to my headstock. Adding in the tuner holes. And there we go, we have a set of complete templates ready to go. Thank you very much, and please follow along. If you want to see this build, please leave a like, share and subscribe, and yeah, have a good one. Cheers.